Hi guys, this is another YouTube video from Ghostman Gamer. Today we're going to be doing an a science experiment. Yeah, it's 12 o'clock at night or something.
Courteous.
Okay, let's get started.
Take all my cigarettes and go smoke
It's
them.
a system! Stop, Kevin.
Because I have the money for that.
Stop.
Alright. We're going to fill one glass with this. We'll fill one glass with about this much water. So what we're doing right now is vibrations through the glass. Callie, can you hold the bottom of the glasses, please?
Hey, don't tell them names.
The very bottom of the glasses.
Hi.
So you get one sound from one glass because it has more water. And then you'll get a different sound from the other glass because it has less water.
What's up?
All this is done through vibrations. Doing both at the same time. Are you touching the glasses together? You can't let the glasses touch. What's happening is the vibrations through my finger, just like when you scrape a piece of glass, just like you're doing there. What you're doing now is laying it on top. So what happens is the noise vibrates through the entire glass, and it just resonates. It's called resonation.
It's Callie.
And if you notice, if you look down inside the water in the glass, you'll notice that the water is vibrating.